Welcome to my YouTube channel, House Plan to the Drawing. Today I'm going to teach you guys on how to change this particular, to have this particular look on your doors, okay? And also it actually works vice versa also in your 3D and your elevations. So this is it. This is actually the door. For you to make your door look like that, go to the first story. I'm going to delete it. So just go to your door tool, go to settings dialog, look for this hinge door 25, scroll down and look for double door asymmetric 25. Come here and change the style to the style 2, putting a nice look to it. Press the door settings and open here. Click on the door lift type, click which is actually style 2. Click on the side panel and change the side panel to be style 7. Click on the side panel, this particular place again, and I'm just going to untick certain things here. Then come up, click on this shape here and change this to be 600. And you guys can come and mess around with the figure here to give you the actual size you want, and click on OK. I'm just going to click here and change my door to be 1 2. So as you can see, it actually looks a little bit weird, but what I always like to do is I always like to change it in a 3D aspect of Archicad. So this is what it actually looks like for now. So click on the door, you go to the settings dialog, you're going to actually come here on this shape here and come and change. You're actually going to come here and come and change some of the figure to give you what you want. Click on OK. So it's actually going to give you something like this, and go to the first story and see it's going to change to be something like this. You can go to back to your 3D. If you don't like the look on this, you can come and change. Just make sure you go to the click on the door, go to the settings dialog here and go to the shape here, and come and change the figure here. Come and mess around with the figure here. So click on OK and it's going to change automatically here. So this is one of the ways you can you can use this kind of design in Archicad, and it actually works for the elevation. Let's say this is the north elevation. If we were to go to the north elevation now, you're just going to see it. Yeah, this is it. As you can see, this is the north elevation, which is actually perfect. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If my video has been of any help to you, kindly subscribe, comment and like, and I will see you in other tutorial videos. Thank you. Rules and imagine a utopia. Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me